Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. And I am very glad that I help you out in some manner. This is your general love reading for the month of November 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it will help you out in some manner. But take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Gender is not specific here, and I don't read reversals. So let's see what are the messages for your love reading for the month of November 2021. If you have not subscribed yet, then please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And you can also let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. So let's start the reading, Aquarius. Before starting your reading, I'm going to give you some messages which I received while doing the meditation and which are very beautiful. Okay, why I'm saying that? There were four suns here from a four tarot deck. This was the bottom energy. Okay, this is the happiest card in the tarot deck, the sun. The new happy beginnings are going to start in your love life in the month of November 2021. So sun is the happiest card in the tarot deck. So new beginnings are coming up for you here. That's the first message which I'm going to give you. Okay, now the second is the world. So you are closing out some kind of cycle. Okay, you are ending one cycle which you need to complete, and you are starting a new cycle here. So closing out a cycle in your love life, and you are starting a new beginning in your love life. That's the second message which I received. The third one is the fool. Okay, so take a leap of faith, Aquarius, and move in a forward direction. Be a fool in your love life. Take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. That's the next message which I have received here. Then the message which I received here was, you are unable to sleep at night, Aquarius. You are not sleeping at all. First of all, Eight of Swords energy is here. So you are thinking a lot here. Eight of Swords is the overthinking of thoughts, okay? Trapped in the mind thoughts here. So you are overthinking the thoughts here, okay? So you are thinking a lot here, Aquarius. Why are you overthinking? Okay, getting trapped in our own mind thoughts. So you are thinking and contemplating a lot these days. So that's the energy which I received here for you. Get out of this mind trapped thoughts. Okay, so you are overthinking here. You are thinking a lot about your love life maybe. Okay, next energy which I received for you is Nine of Swords. You are not able to sleep at night, Aquarius. Why are you not able to sleep at night? You're spending sleepless night these days. Okay, 1 minute. So yeah, you are overthinking here. Now the next energy which I told you, that you are spending sleepless night. Okay, you cannot sleep at night these days, Aquarius. You're spending sleepless nights here. Okay, can you see Nine of Swords energy is here? That's why I told you that take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. Do not worry. There is someone who is coming towards you, Aquarius. Okay, and this is someone from your past. Six of Cups energy is here, and this person is your soulmate also. Six of Cups is a soulmate card. Okay, so someone from your past is coming back here. Okay, you both have spent many past lives together, and Two of Cups energy is also here. So you both loved each other here. Okay, so Two of Cup energy is here, which I get from my tarot cards. Another thing which I saw is Knight of Swords energy. So this is very fast moving energy which is coming towards you. Okay, Knight of Swords, someone is rushing towards you at a very high speed. Knight of Swords is the fastest energy in the tarot deck. Okay, so someone is coming towards you at a very high speed. Okay, okay, I got this Knight of Swords. So they're coming towards you at a very high speed here. They are coming here. Okay, next is I received Ace of Wands, 1 minute. Okay, I received Ace of Wands and Ace of Pentacles, two aces in your reading, which I received here. Okay, so this is what I received, the energy which I want to discuss with you for before starting your reading here. So yeah, two aces in your reading which I received while doing meditation. That was Ace of Pentacle and Ace of Wands. So this is something, either this person is going to give you a solid commitment which you can touch, either a commitment in relationship or an engagement commitment, or the marriage commitment or the relationship commitment, anything which you can touch, a solid commitment is coming towards you. Okay, and the next which I saw is Ace of Wands. So this is the new passionate beginning in your love life which is starting here between you and this person. So this was the energy which I want to share before starting your reading. Now let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages from Aquarius. Okay, let's start it. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the important messages for my Aquarius for the month of November 2021, which I need to deliver. What are the important messages which I need to deliver? And you will come towards a calmer waters. Six of Swords energy was also there here. Okay. What are the messages? Please give me the important messages for Aquarius. See, the World card is here. You are closing out the cycle here with this person, completing the cycle here. Let's see. Bottom of the deck I'm having Lovers. So you both are the lovers here. Can you see? You both are spending sleepless nights here. So let's see. Can you see again the Eight of Swords energy is here. So you are stuck in your own thoughts, Aquarius. Okay. Please give me the messages which I need to deliver for Aquarius. But do not worry, Aquarius. The clarity is coming here. The Ace of Swords is here. Okay. Again, Knight of Swords is here. So this is someone who is coming towards you with a lot of clarity. And there is Three of Cups. Celebrations are coming here, Aquarius. Let me see more. Queen of Cups. What is the messages for Aquarius? Queen of Cups, Knight of Pentacles. Please give me the messages. Page of Wands, Chariot, Lovers. Okay. Bottom of the deck I'm having Eight of Wands. The communication is coming towards you from this person's sides. Okay. What is the message you want me to deliver? King of Swords, Hangman. Right now you are in a hangman situation. This is someone from your past. Six of Cups energy. Okay. The Star. Page of Pentacles. And can you see this is like this? King of Cups and the Ten of Pentacles, King of Cups is here. Okay. Any other message? Any other message? Queen of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, the Emperor. Any other message? Your guards are up here, Aquarius. Seven of Wands is here. I'm not going to take it. Bottom of the deck I'm having, see, the Empress and the Eight of Swords. So you both are divine pairs here, Aquarius. Okay. So what I can see is there is someone who is coming towards you with a very high speed. They are coming here and you are feeling restricted. You're feeling stuck here. Okay. You're overthinking the things. They are coming at a very high speed here with the Knight of Swords, I told you. And see again the Ace of Pentacles and the Ace of Swords. Two aces are there in your reading. So there is someone who wants to give you a commitment, a stable commitment. You are hoping for new hopes, new desires. Right now you are in your element. You are emotionally detached, okay? You're not emotionally available here, and you are feeling like an hangman, okay? But there are new hopes, new desires which are coming here. There is Page of Pentacles and the Queen of Wands. So maybe right now you are working on your creativity, you're working on your fire elements, okay? You are more focusing on that part here, on your creativity, on yourself basically. But there is some commitment which is coming towards you. Here I am having Three of Cups, Queen of Cups, Knight of Pentacles and Page of Wands. So this person is coming towards you. Maybe right now you cannot see they are coming because this is the slowest energy which is coming towards you. And Queen of Cups is someone who is in tune with the emotions, okay? So yes, they are coming. The Chariot is here, so you're going to move in a forward direction, okay? In the extended, I'm going to see, I just cut it out and there is King of Cups. So they are thinking about you, Aquarius, okay? Let me clarify some cards. In the extended, I'm going to clarify these cards here, okay? So let me clarify some cards here. Why there is Six of Wands? See, this is you only. You're feeling like an hangman here, but that situation is going to end. Death and rebirth is here. So you are going to get out from this hangman situation here, Aquarius, okay? The hangman and the death card. So yes, you're going to get out from this hangman situation. That is going to end here. Why are you feeling restricted here? Right now you have to keep patience here, Aquarius. You're feeling restricted because of some devil energy, because of some kind of thing, maybe confusion or toxicity. You are doing the manifestation here with the Magician. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Two of Pentacles. So you are juggling between two situations here. Why there is devil here? Please clarify devil. Please clarify the devil. Why there is devil here? You are unable to make a decision here towards your love life. The Ten of Cups. You want to create happy family, happy life. Okay. But there is Two of Swords, Five of Pentacles, Seven of Swords and Five of Cups. What is happening here, Aquarius, with you? Okay. So you have to make some kind of decision, but you are unable to make some kind of decision. There is some kind of deception, lying, cheating, manipulation which is happening here, which is happening again in your life, which is coming from the past. Maybe you are focusing on the past here more, or someone in your life is more focusing on the past. Someone left you out in cold, leaving you behind with the Five of Pentacles here. And this is not a good energy for you, Aquarius. That's why the devil is here. Someone is here, so okay. Clarify me, Queen of Cups. Why there is Queen of Cups here? Please clarify, Queen of Cups. See, Queen of Cups has been clarified by Page of Pentacles. Please clarify, Queen of Cups. Six of Swords. Clarify, Queen of Cups. The Lovers. This person broke your heart in the past here with the Three of Swords. That's why your guards are up. Your self-defensive mode is on. Queen of Wands and the Seven of Wands. Your guards are up. Okay. You have some kind of third-party situation in your life here. This person break your heart. This is your lovers here again. Can you see? This is your lover. But you will come towards the calmer waters here, Aquarius. But this person broke your heart. They put you in a third-party situation here. Let me see more. Why there is Ace of Pentacles? Clarify Ace of Pentacles. Please clarify Ace of Pentacles. Please clarify Ace of Pentacles. Hierophant. Clarify Ace of Pentacles. Please clarify Ace of Pentacles. They want to get married with you, Aquarius. See, the Hierophant, the Queen of Wands is here. The Sun, the Knight of Wands, the Four of Cups, and the Nine of Cups. So this is the happiest card in the tarot deck. Again, this is your wish fulfillment. But maybe this person is someone who is a player kind of energy, in and out energy, non-committed energy. That's why you are not ready to accept the cup. Even this person is your wish fulfillment, even if they are bringing the new happy beginnings, but you are feeling restricted, stuck. But do not worry at all, Aquarius. You are closing out a cycle with the World, Eight of Swords, and the King of Wands, King of Swords again. You are closing out the cycles and you're going to move in a forward direction with the Chariot here. So this is the same energy which I'm receiving here. You are closing out a cycle, okay? That's why. Right now, maybe some of you are in the hermit mode. That can also be a possibility here. Okay. In the extended, I'm going to clarify these cards, or maybe I'm not going to do that because major cards I'm going to clarify. I already clarified in this reading. Okay, but what I can see from this reading is that this person is someone who try to manipulate you. They are playing mind games with you. They're trying to lying, cheating, manipulation. Maybe they are giving you the offer of commitment or something like that, but you are not ready to accept the cup because you know the truth. And they put you in a third party situation. King of Swords is someone who knows the truth. And then you know that this person break your heart in the past. But what I can see here is that there is King of Cup, Emperor and the Empress both are here. So you both are the divine pairs here, the divine counterparts. Okay, you both are the lovers here. You're going to get your clarity here. Okay. Why there is Ace of Swords? Please clarify me, Ace of Swords. King of Wands, Eight of Pentacles, and the Emperor. So they are coming towards you to give you clarity that they were working on themselves. Okay. Can you see again the Queen of Wands and the King of Wands? Again a power couple is here. So they were going to come towards you and they were going to come towards you and they are going to tell you that they were working hard on themselves, on their career, maybe on their career, on their finances, on themselves to become the Emperor. And now they are the Emperor here. Again the Emperor is here. They're going to come towards you here. Why there is Knight of Swords? Please clarify Knight of Swords. The Hangman again. So after this person will come towards you, you will be feeling the like an hangman here. No, I'm not going to take these cards because there are too many. Please clarify me the Knight of Swords. Please clarify me Knight of Swords. You're feeling like an hangman because there were a lot of competition, drama, fighting, conflicts with this person in the past. 11:44 is the recording reading time. They left you out in cold and you have the clarity about that. Ace of Swords again. You know that this person lied, cheating you, manipulate you, play mind games with you in the past, and that's why you are feeling like an hangman. And now they are coming back. Why they are coming back here? Okay. You are closing out a cycle here, Aquarius. With that lying, cheating, manipulation, deception, you are closing out that cycle. Can you please give me the advice? Please give me the advice here. Eight of Wands, Queen of Wands. There is a definitely communication which is coming towards you, Aquarius. Hierophant, Queen of Wands, Eight of Wands. Please give me the advice. Right now you cannot sleep at night. The Nine of Swords is here. And maybe some of you are not going to accept the offer because you're feeling restricted again. You are thinking and contemplating a lot, but you know the truth. Even if this person is your wish fulfillment, you're not going to accept the cup here, Aquarius, because you are someone who knows the truth. King of Swords is someone who knows the truth. Okay, again, can you see, this is someone who is coming back in your life from your past. Six of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, and the Chariot. Ace of Pentacles is coming again and again. So this is someone from your past who is coming back here. Because of this person, or because of this relationship, or because of this dynamic, you're unable to sleep at night here. You're spending sleepless nights here, Aquarius. But there is communication which is coming towards you here. With a lot of communication is coming towards you. A commitment, a marriage proposal. This person wants to get married with you. Okay. Okay, this was your reading. Now let's see more messages here. Thank you. Let's see more messages here, Aquarius, for you. Now let's see more messages from Chakra Wisdom Oracle deck. What is the message for Aquarius? What are the important messages you want me to deliver for Aquarius? Please give me the messages. Please give me the important messages. Gratitude. Have an attitude of gratitude here. Wow. I told you, you both are the divine pairs here, Aquarius. You are, this is someone from your past. This is someone who is your soulmate. Okay, this is your soulmate here. Okay, this is someone who is your soulmate. You need to forgive. Forgiveness is required in your situation. Forgive the past. Forgive this person too. Okay, if they hurt you in the past, you need to forgive that too. Forgive your past, forgive them, and follow your instincts here. Okay, having gratitude here. Say thank you for all those things which you are having, and this is your soulmate. This is your soulmate. Even see, this is another deck, and here also I'm having bottom of the deck, I'm having the soulmate. Okay, see the cycles. You just completing the cycles which you need to complete with this person. Okay, you're definitely closing out some kind of cycles here, and because of that cycles you're feeling entrapment here. See, I'm not even touch this deck, and I just shuffle this deck and keep it up, and I just saw this because of these cycles, repeating cycles, you're feeling entrapment, you're feeling restricted, stuck. Eight of Swords energy. But have faith, you are having the phoenix rising from the ashes. You are rising from the ashes. Okay, have faith, because this is your soulmate. Okay, have faith, Aquarius. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Now let's see one message. Let me make some space here. This is your soulmate. This is beautiful. Okay, let me see more messages for Aquarius. Please give me one message for Aquarius. What is the message you want me to deliver? Please give me one message. Your third eye chakra, Anjana, your third eye, your intuitions, your instincts, that is getting activated here, Aquarius. Okay, that is getting activated, and you need to follow your intuitions, your instincts which you are receiving through your third eye activation. Your activation is happening. The third eye activation is happening here. So this is huge. Now let's see more messages. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see more messages from Krishna consciousness. What is the message for Aquarius? For Aquarius for the month of November. Please give me the messages. Do not provoke negativity. Do not invite negativity by doing or saying wrong things. Okay, that's the message I am having here. Let me see any other message for Aquarius. No. So thank you for giving the messages. Let me see more messages from the Scared Destiny Oracle deck. What are the messages for Aquarius? Please give me the messages. What is the message for Aquarius? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. This is very beautiful deck, okay? And I love this deck. Moonlight Enchantment, the Magic. Wild Rose Fairy Love. Lot of messages. No, please give me the message for Aquarius. Dragon, bottom of the deck, I'm having Dragon. Foggy Bog, Patience, Guardian of the Land, Protection. You are getting the protection here, okay? By the nature, by the angels, you are getting the protection, and get protection and get grounded by spending some time in nature. You have to keep right now some kind of patience. You have to keep patience here, Aquarius. There is magic moon enchantment, so you can do meditation here on the moonlight. You can work with the moon here. And there is Wild Rose Fairy, that is called love. Love is all around you. You just need to open up your heart, Aquarius, to receive, and all of your life experience are splendid part of a spiritual evolution towards the realization that we all are love. We are all love, okay? So that's the message which is here, and right now I want to read it out. This is also here. Magic is all around you. The veil between the worlds is thin right now. Fairies, elves, angels, and spirit beings are just a thought away. It is indeed a magical universe, and the key to opening the door to those realms is to trust. All may not be as it seems by the protective light of the moon. The magic of the universe surrounds you. Okay. It is dark. The light of moon shows you the way, reminding you to trust what you feel. Okay. So 2002 is the recording reading time, and this is very beautiful messages here. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add some messages from the Scared Indian Tarot deck. Some oracles. What is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius? Death card is here. So yes, definitely death and rebirth transformation is taking place for you, Aquarius. Keep your strength with you. Okay, keep your courage, keep your strength with you, and you're rising as an empress here again. Right now you have to keep patience. You see, this is your energy. The star, new hopes, new desires are coming up for you. The healing is coming up for you. You are rising as a star. There is a tower movement which is coming here. This is the divine intervention which is happening here in your life. And tower is not bad at all, okay? Why I always say in my reading, tower is something which is divine intervention. When we have to make the necessary changes in our life, and we are not doing that, we are not doing that, we are not making that decisions, we are not correcting those decisions in our life, we are not doing those changes in our life, then divine has to intervene our situations and do that, make that situation so that we can do the decisions, we can take the decisions here. There is Hermit and there is Emperor. Can you see it? The Emperor and the Empress both are here. So you are definitely dealing with your soulmate. You both are the divine counterparts here. So right now your divine counterpart, your soulmate, the Emperor, your lover, they are in a hermit mode. Okay, they are doing the soul searching, and they're looking the answers from within themselves, that what my soul wants. Let's see more from the Whispers of Lord Ganesha. Please give me one message for Aquarius. Please give me one message. I got two. Bottom of the deck I'm having solar plexus chakra and scleral chakra, empowerment and harmony. So your solar plexus and scleral chakra is getting activated here, Aquarius. See the positive outlook, and you have the capacity to love. Okay, You have the capacity to love each and everyone and see the positive outlook, which is the message I am having here. Now let's see. 1 minute. This was the card which fallen out and which was focused on the love. See, you have the capacity to love. Look for the good in everyone. So that was the message which I received here from this deck. Let me see one more message. Please give me the messages for Aquarius. Please give me the message for Aquarius. Wow. The union of hearts. A love connection defies explanation. This is the union of heart. This is, you both are the, someone who are made for each other. The soulmates, the union of heart. Okay. The union of heart is happening here. This is beautiful. Let me know in the comment section here, Aquarius. This is beautiful. I love the picture here. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see messages from the angels. What are the messages for Aquarius from the angels? Please give me the message for Aquarius. What is the message you want me to deliver? Forgiveness is required, Aquarius. Forgiveness and beautiful souls. You inspire and uplift others. You are a beautiful soul. Okay, that's the message you are receiving from the angels. And there is forgiveness. Forgiveness is the first step to letting go of hurt and emotional pains, and it only heals you. See, forgiveness is required here, Aquarius. Okay, so that you can heal and you can forgive others, so that you can heal yourself. First of all, you heal yourself by forgiving others. Okay, so that's the message I'm receiving here. Now let me add one message from the Beyond Lemura. Please give me one message for Aquarius. This can be a water sign here. Okay, now let me see. Please give me one message. New blueprints. This is the new blueprints message which I received for you, and this is take action, be the change, take a step no matter how small, but you have to make a positive change. Okay, you have to create a ripple of light, be the change you wish to see. Okay, so this is what it is, and this is what the message was. Okay, so thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from the scared activations. What activations are happening inside of you? Let me see. Please give me the message. What activation is happening inside Aquarius for the month of November? Markaba. Wow. This is very powerful, Aquarius. The frequency of Markaba supports our ability to use our consciousness to traverse into the layers of reality and dimensions. It activates our access to our Akashic inheritance as well, merging the totality of our experiences into a present to serve our highest good. So your Markaba is getting activated, and this is very, very powerful message for all of you, Aquarius. Beautiful. I love it. The messages here. Your Markaba is getting activated. Let me see more messages from the scared creators. The now, that means focus on the now moment here. What is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius? Cut the cords of doubt here, Aquarius, and your soul is shining right now. You need to cut the cords of doubting. Do the manifesting and doing. Manifesting and doing is here. Okay, so this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Lead your metaphors and light in the unexpected. Okay, so this is the message which I received here, and this is beautiful. Let me see some messages from the star seeds. Gratitude message is here again. Universal love shines through the miracles of life around you. So have an attitude of gratitude. Okay, so gratitude message is here again. Thank you for giving the message. Let me add messages from the witchcraft. There's a lot of messages here. Okay. Let me pick up those cards again. These are too small, but I love the cards because these are very beautiful and very energetic cards. What are the messages you want me to deliver for Aquarius? Okay. Magic eggs. Beginning something is exciting. Okay. And there is magic everywhere. Build a fairy house. So these are the two messages which I received for you. Then these are very beautiful messages. Now let me add some affirmations from your heart, from the heart. Okay, and you can use these affirmations here, Aquarius. These affirmations will help you out in some manner. Let me see. What is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius? I am clean and open to receive miracles as my love and experiences grow. The consciousness of my secret spirits evolve. So you can take a screenshot of this and you can use the affirmations. I hope it is visible here. Yeah. 1 minute. Okay, I hope it is visible. You can take a screenshot of this and you can use these affirmations. I am clean and open to receive miracles. As my love and experience grow, the consciousness of my secret spirit evolves. So these are the two messages which I received here. Thank you. Let me see the divine door messages. Palm history. Fortune and tarot collective destiny. The palm lines from the bird tells your secret mystery. Listen to the notes of the intuitions. Follow your intuitions here, Aquarius. Okay, that's the message here I'm again receiving for you. So now let me see what is the message from the priestess of love. Go with the flow. That's the message I'm having. Letting go anything which does not serve your highest good. You have to do the cleansing of your energy, your aura, and you have to open up to receive. Just go with the flow here. Okay, that's the message I'm receiving. Now let me add one message from the secret light and then I'm going to close out your reading. Today I'm doing the reading in a very fast mode, I can say that, because I have to go somewhere and the time is too limited. Past life. Okay. A culture experience, it's behind you. Regression. You have to do the regression here, Aquarius. Something is happening in your life which is related to your past life. Okay. This is reincarnation is belief held by many different religions and cultures. Deep attraction to foreign cultures, items such as clothing, animals and architectures are just some connections to your past life memories. Obsessions with and passion about events, tools, professions and objects is your soul reminding you of previous experiences that have taught you valuable lessons. While past life regression can be extremely beneficial in understanding your interactions with family, friends and purpose, understanding these trauma can help identifying the reason behind deliberately psychological conditions such as phobias and fear in your current life. Obsessing over past events and experiencing highlight the soul's need to achieve equilibrium in the present. Cosmic Master Lord Krishna calls your mind to address the past, bringing healing and closure to unanswered chapters of your life. These unexplained and sometimes irrational emotions represent the challenges destined to enlighten the soul on its divine path. Be present. Okay, serving on the second ray, Lord Krishna asks you to heal and address past life memories and karmic issues now. Questioning authority and fear of failure will highlight these fears so you can free the chains of the past. Meditate, avoid being mentally stuck in the past as the time is now. Affirm your soul's desire to the secret breath of the universe. So this is beautiful here. That is the message which I received. So this was your reading. I hope it will help you out in some manner, Aquarius. Let me add some zodiac signs too. What are the zodiac signs which you may be dealing with? Any other sign? So you can be dealing with Scorpio or Pisces, that's the water sign here. You can be dealing with Gemini or Libra, that's the air sign. You can be dealing with Taurus or Capricorn, that's the earth sign here. And you can be dealing with any fire sign, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. So this was your general love reading for the month of November. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all those who are watching my video. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.